All right, the drink we're about to make is called Burberry. We're going to serve it up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled for you. Okay, measure out 2 ounces of gin. And follow that up with a splash of maraschino liqueur and a teaspoon of sugar and a splash of bitters. All right, grab your shaker, give it a good shake. You want to make sure you get this sugar dissolved in with everything else. There you go. Dump out your ice water. Glass should be well chilled at this point. And go ahead and strain it in. All right. And that is Burberry. Bottoms up.